welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So I'm back with another recipe, but this recipe, if I tell you that you can bake like a look-alike or a copycat of a banana cake, but it is healthy. It doesn't have any maida, it doesn't have any atta, just simple ingredients. It doesn't even have any sugar. So this recipe is super easy to make. It's kids friendly. If you want to make this recipe, watch my video further, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's go bake this healthiest banana cake recipe.
So all you need is you're going to take a blender, add some bananas to it, and then I took around 2 whole bananas. So you can add 2 or 3 bananas as per your choice. Just chop it and add it to the blender. Then after that I'm adding condensed milk to it. But if you don't want to add condensed milk, you can add honey, you can add date syrup, any option. But I like the condensed milk in this recipe. I've taken some coconut milk. If you don't want coconut milk, you can add your yogurt. So you can add yogurt. Now blend everything really well till it becomes like a milkshake. So once that is done, we're going to pour it into a bowl. So it'll take few minutes. It has to become a really smooth milkshake consistency. It's going to be very liquidy. So then we're going to add it into a bowl. And once it's added to the bowl, so now if you are using yogurt, it might be a little thicker in consistency. I use coconut milk. Here I'm using oats flour. If you don't have store-bought oats flour, you can take your regular oats and grind it into a flour. Added some cocoa powder, some baking powder. Now I'm going to use a whisk and mix it really well till a smooth batter is formed. So make sure you mix it really well. I've added some chopped chocolates, but you can add any nuts of your choice. This cake, trust me, it turns out really good, super soft, kids friendly, and you will finish it in one go. So I really loved how this cake turned out to be. I added some chopped chocolates and I added some walnuts. Now I'm going to just fold it into the batter. Here I have taken a square tin, but you can use any tin of your choice. And now I'm just mixing the batter a bit, and then I'm going to add it to the square tin. So usually if you see, I use a cake ring, I don't use a cake mold. So that's what I've used here, but you can use any cake tin of your choice. So now you pour the batter into the tin, make sure that it's spread evenly. On top of that, I added more chocolates and more nuts. You can add any nuts, any chocolates of your choice, that is fine. And then we're going to bake it in an already preheated oven. So I'm going to bake it for 30 minutes, or till you put the toothpick and it comes out clean. So for 30 minutes it should be fine. So now you can see that our cake is ready. It's super soft. It tastes amazing. It's super easy to make also. Once it's cooled down, just slice it. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you have any comments, any recommendation, any feedback, do mention in our comment section, and also follow us on Instagram to know more about our classes.